Hey Tube, welcome back. Today we start to set up our first NestJS project and install NestJS. So to install NestJS, it's pretty simple. You just type npm. If you are in Mac, you type sudo before npm install dash g and you put NestJS CLI and you hit enter. And I did install it already, so no need to install it again. So this is how you install your application. Or if you're using Yarn, you can just have like Yarn global add, but you should use sudo before it if you are using Mac. If we want to create a new project, you just nest and you add new, and after that you add the name of your project. So I would say let's try to think about a name, and I will say it will be demo and enter, and it say nest.js is not found. That means actually I didn't install nest.js. So that sudo in nest.js and I hit the password, and it will take like 1 or 2 minutes, but I guess it might be quite faster. And when this installation is done, we can do nest new, and I put add my project which is demo, and I expect I want to use npm here, and the demo, as you can see here, is being created. And we have a package manager. It will ask which package manager you would like to use, npm or yarn. After that, you select your preferences, and it will use that tool to install the dependencies. And the package manager was failed to execute command npm install lint packages installation. In case you don't see any errors, okay, it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. We can continue, no problem. So we have this project. We currently created our first Nest.js project. So let's talk about the project details. So it will set up a new directory, as you can see, called demo, and you specified including a set of files that make up a basic Nest.js project structure. We have the source folder, and the source folder where your TypeScript files live. We have the test folder, the testing folder where you can place your E2E tests. We have the Node module. Oh, there is no Node module yet. I'll just install a top npm install. And this is the Node module, the folder where all project dependencies are installed. And we have NestJS uh, CLI.json, just one. And this is a configuration file for NestJS CLI. We have tc config.json. No, this one, tcconfig.json. And this is a configuration file for TypeScript. We have tcconfig.build.json, and this TypeScript configuration for build process. We have package.json. This describes your project and its dependencies. Um, if you wanna install or installation of the dependency, once the project structure is created, the CLI will automatically install all necessary dependencies. After the after let's go back to and let's clear everything. After the installation is complete, you can navigate into your project directly by like CDE, and then you put the name, which will be demo, and you can run npm run start, and it will start your application. The start script will compile the application and run it, and run it. By default, your nestjs application will run on the localhost 3000. You open a browser and navigate to the url to see the default application running. With these steps, you can have successfully created your first nestjs project and started the application. You can now begin to add modules, controllers, and services to build out the features of your application. So that's it for today's video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, subscribe and hit the notification bell so never miss a video. And see you in future problem.